Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
टीएमसी आणि आपाच्या एंट्रीन बीजेपी विरोधी मतां फुटपाची गणितां मांडटा आसतना 2017तले वेंचणुकेक वेगवेगळ्यो रान्नी थाटून हात भाजिल्ल्या विरोधकांचे हे फावट महायुतीचे यत्न. गोवा फॉरवर्ड एनसीपी आणि मोगोकूय बरोबर घेवन वचपाचें काँग्रेसीच्या पावंड्यार सध्या घोळटा. एकलो फुडारी शिनाला दिवंक लागला.
पोस्ट पोल पळयतले ते काय पोस्ट पोल जावचे ना, प्री पोल अंडरस्टँडिंग मीन्स पोस्ट पोल एक्सपेक्टेशन.
2020चे जानेवारी 1चे रिझोल्युशन मध्ये आलं की टीम गोवा म्हणटी जावची.
An alliance should take place with a proper alignment. Like last time, the alliances didn't have a proper alignment. We can't repeat those mistakes. The mistakes of the past should not be repeated, and we should do it in a proper manner.
म्हाका प्रशांत किशोर मेळटा, म्हाका दिनेश गुंडूराव मेळटा, म्हाका बीजेपीचे लिडर्स मेळटा. एट दीस मोमेंट आमी 3 फावटी बीजेपी कडेन सुसायड केल्या. आतां चवथी सुसायड ही गोळो कापपाची आसतली.
When elections are announced, candidates should be announced.
काँग्रेसाकूय तेच भाशेन जालो जाय, लायक गोवा फॉरवर्डाक जालो जाय, आनी हें जावपा म्हणटा ते आमकां होच टायम.
We are in discussions with people, with parties they have spoken to us. NCP is there, BJP is there, Goa Forward is there. All of them are they are in discussion with us.
न्यू एंट्रंट आप आणि टीएमसी युनायटेड ऑपोजिशनाक मारक हाची पुराय जाणीव काँग्रेसीन दवरल्या.
Which is not correct. I don't think a political party should say, I'm going to make this community person CM, this community person deputy CM. That is not a right approach. That is, you're trying to use caste as a way of getting votes. How that means you are the same as BJP. You're a communal casteist party. So how different are you from BJP? So it proves that he's a B team of BJP.
फकत युतीचीच गणितां मांडून भागपाचें ना, लोकां मेरेन वचपाक, लोकांचे इशू हाताळपाक पर्याय ना हेंवूय काँग्रेसीक खबर.
The rise in prices of all commodities, the prices have gone through the roof. Margoiso Jagor, we are launching that program. This campaign will be launched from November 18th onwards. It will be a 5-day program. We have formed 9 groups and they will visit all the constituencies of Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आणि चेतन गवस.